Well, it looks like there's 2 glasses here. So, but don't get too excited, they were both mine. They're both mine. I'm not an alcoholic because I've just checked the bottle and it's still quite full. It's not bad. But what a great night I had all to myself, and I've ate all the chocolates. Yummy, yummy. Ferrero Rochers. And all the little love hearts to myself. They're quite nice. Out with Sainsbury's, they were only £1 for a big bag. Really exciting. And after trying on all these clothes, I went out for a little while with my friends for some dinner. And then I came home relatively early. And then I drank the rest of the champagne. Well, I never drank loads of champagne, but... And then I watched Riviera. That's the series that I'm watching at the moment. How the other half live. So that was very fitting because I was at the rugby at the weekend with my French friends. So I've really enjoyed that. So I'm now going to go and get ready quickly because I didn't even get to the gym this morning. I had too much fizz. I had too many gins. And I'm not feeling the best. So now I need to go and sort my hair because it's a mess. And get ready. Do some work. So see you guys in a minute. I'm going down for coffee. I think that's the first thing I need to do is get coffee. Yeah, that's the first thing I need to do. Okay, coffee time. I maybe have a Valentine's card. Imagine. I'll go down and see. Check it out. Oh. Oh wow! Whose are these, Maxine?
What?
Whose are these flowers?
I wouldn't get too excited, they're the neighbours.
What?
They're the neighbours.
No way, are you joking?
No, it's for the neighbourhood.
Oh my god. You're beautiful as well. A good one. Thank you. Is that from you? Is that a coffee made from you though?
Yeah.
That was nice of you, darling. Thank you very much.
It's alright.
Well, at least I got coffee. What a tease that is. Sending flowers to our house and not even getting them. Oh, that's a well-deserved coffee, Maxine. Did you get me a nice card?
No.
You did.
No, why would I get you a card?
Hmm?
Why would I get you a card?
Happy Valentine's Day.
I love you every day, hen.
Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? That's nice. I love you every day too. Did you see my flowers? Show me my flowers.
Oh, they ones are nice. Are these actually yours?
They're one rose for each of us.
Okay. Right, I need to go.
Okay, darling. Oh, I'm going to really need this bath. Oh, look at my hair. Oh my god. That's bad. So bad. Oh. Oh. Teeth. Bath. Face washed. And then work. Oh dear. Right. Here. Ouch. So bad. I don't know if I'm going to be able to salvage my hair or not. I'm not sure. I'll give it a good try. Maybe I'll be able to just curl it or something. Do something. Because I can't be bothered at this stage to do anything. Whoops, a daisy, that's looking fabulous. I just thought to put another wee bubble over the top. Not the best, but bit of a messy bowl. That'll do. So I'll go in the bath. Oh my god. Can't beat cold water on the face. Why do I like to go out too much? It's good at the time. I didn't drink that much, to be honest. To be fair, I had maybe 2 gin and tonics, and then I had 2 glasses of champagne. Actually, I forgot I had a glass of wine at the meal as well. So, quite a lot for a school night. Now I'm going in my bath now, and I'll catch up with you guys later.
History. I've traveled the world, there's no other girl like you. No one. What's your history? What's your history? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. I could fall.
I think that's the hair done for the day. Oh my goodness. Just as well I never pulled. Look at my hair. Time to put makeup on though. I'm rushing about. Just rushing. So it's very fast. Quick, quick, quick. Because I've got to get to work. It's all good and well having a nice drink and celebrating Valentine's Day, and then you feel really bad. Don't know why I even drink, honest. Health kick next week. I say it all the time. Health kick every week. But the thing is, I like going out. I love to socialise with my friends. As long as you don't overdo it, I think it's fine. Don't go crazy. Listen guys, I hope you enjoyed the video I put up for Valentine's Day. Did you like it? Now I'm really sorry that I can't share my nights with my friends because my friends absolutely hate the camera. So they're all really camera shy, and I would love them to come on. They're just amazing, absolutely amazing friends I've got. And they're so funny. And sometimes some of my friends they'll let me put things up on when we go out. We put up snaps and Instagrams, and that's funny, but that's usually when we've had a good drink and they'll let me do that. But it's the first sign of a video with my friend Alex, for example. She's running away, and then my friend Lorraine as well, she hates it. She can't stand it. They're all shouting at me and saying, get that camera away from me. And yet it would be absolutely amazing if they just let me show you guys how good fun they are. They're so funny, honest. You get a right laugh. That's why I'm addicted to going out. And I'm not doing a very good job of this makeup. I'll just have to do a very, very quick eye. I've no energy now. A little bit. My mascara has completely run out. I need to get a new one. And I'm hoping that Guerlain will still sell this one, because if you ever go to the shops and you want to buy a new mascara and then they say, oh, discontinued. Well, I've had this one for a long, long time, and I'm hoping when I go to buy it, which should be today, that it will be still in stock. I've got my mirror here, but I tend to always use my Urban Decay Naked palette to put it on because it's a bit closer. And of course, at my age, the eyes aren't that great either, so it's best to be as close as you can. Tonight I've got Facebook Live tonight, and I think my hair's going to be like this for the duration. I've no time for one. This will just have to do. When I get back from work tonight, which obviously I got up a bit later today because I'd been out last night. The joys of self-employment is good when you can get up a bit later, but at the same time then you've got to work later, which isn't brilliant. But that's just the way it goes. And that's a quick eye. Obviously the makeup's not looking quite as good as it was last night when my daughter did it. Did you like my makeup? My daughter Robin put all my makeup on for me. I'm at the end of my foundation as well here. To just put that on, quick bit of foundation, and I use the brush just to quickly blend it in between having a quick cup of tea. How annoying, these flowers arrived. I thought they were for me and I had everything in my head thinking, who are they from? I was actually doing all these scenarios in my head saying who I hoped it was from, for one, which is funny, and who I definitely hoped it wasn't from, for two. And the third one was I was thinking that if that was from my daughters, then I hope they've not spent too much money. So before I even got them in my hand, I was thinking all these thoughts. And then Maxine says not to get too excited because they weren't for me, so. Oh well. Anyway, I've just went up to the neighbour's house and there's nobody in to deliver them. But, so they'll be here for till I get back home. I suppose positively, then, at least I got a nice bouquet of flowers for a little while to sit in my table. And if they're still there when I get back, then maybe I'll have had them longer than the girl that they're for. Isn't that funny? I'm going to put my quick... Just tell me if my hair's a mess. If it's really messy, then tell me in the comments. Sometimes I just go out like this. I'm a bit mad. I think, you know, I'm only going out to work, and it's not the best of days anyway, it's a bit miserable, therefore it will just have to do. I'm not even going to do my eyebrows today because I've got no time. It's just a fast blush. I've got a bit of lip gloss on, I'll be done fast. This one, which is the, what is that one? Estee Lauder. I quite like this one, it's quite nice. I don't put too much on. And no lip liner. It's fast. Why have I got Christmas songs on? I have no idea. I put YouTube on in the morning just to listen to songs as I'm getting ready. And I've got Christmas songs have just came. Oh dear. Well guys, that's me done, I think. I should really do something with this hair, but I'll just have to make do next week. I hadn't made up my mind what I was going to be talking about next week's video. But now that I was taking ages to decide what I was going to wear for Valentine's Day, then I think I may go buy some new clothes for my wardrobe. All these clothes I had on last night are clothes I've had for absolute years. A lot of people say that I've got a brilliant healthy wardrobe, but I'm really not. Well, I have. Actually, I just make the best out of my clothes that I have had for years, and I mix and match, as you'll see what I did with that dress. So virtually I had the black dress on, was the very first dress that I went down the stairs with, and then when I came back up the stairs I thought it's going to be a bit cold to wear that because it's really cold in Edinburgh just now. Maxie made me a nice cup of coffee. Yeah, so what I did with that dress is I just simply rolled it down. And I slipped down. And that's the one thing I must say that I find difficult about being single, is that you've never got somebody to pull the zip down for you. Or pull the zip up. You're like this, struggling, and like this. And so what I did was I kind of wriggled out of that dress and left little marks on my arms. I should really do a video on that, how to get out the dress at the end of the night. I'm sure that would be fun. But then it might attract the people that I really don't want, I'd imagine. Anyway, so I wriggled out of that and I got it down to my waist, and then I thought, that looks quite nice. So I left it, and then I could have put a belt on it, but I didn't. I just put on a long top and when it was on, it was tight round my waist anyway, so it looked nice. So I'm thinking I might wear that one night. But that's what I do with my clothes. I have my clothes for absolutely years, and then I decide that I'm going to mix and match them, and I buy other things that I can mix and match. So I've got a good, quite an interesting wardrobe, and I'm thinking that I might buy some more clothes soon. So if I do, I will do an unboxing, or else I will let you see my wardrobe. Maybe you want to see my wardrobe. Anyway, it's a mess just now, but I'll let you see my wardrobe once I've cleaned the wardrobe up a bit. Or maybe it would be more interesting to see it right now, I'm not sure. But anyway, I need to rush to work right now or I'm going to be really late. So I will see you guys next week for sure. I hope you enjoyed the last 2 videos, and if you did, please subscribe and give me your comments. I'm really interested to hear what you've got to say about my videos. And I hope you have a really nice day, and thanks very much once again for listening to my chat. Have a good day.